Okay, so now welcome. All right, so now welcome and camera 5. Okay. Ani Baba.
I want to sing a song.
For who? No, we need to fall Ani Baba's hand because just fall our hand anyhow.
Ani, are you my romantic? Cause you are my romantic. Just show them. Let's show them.
You will want calling. Anyway, am I making slimmer?
No, not because you wear white. It bring out the real body structure of yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I can't believe how.
And today I look very bare. I just did.
No, actually, I will ask you, say, where this one come out from? What is the... Shana singlet you wear inside near Bideko?
No, it's the...
You're looking
not every time fine girl.
Very ordinary, just bare.
Not every time.
But this is how you love people, you understand? When people know today in their, casual place, onto dressing and everything, you can't still love them like that. Forget, that love is real.
Okay.
I say, don't they do expo?
No.
Look, see, which they hide on that.
No.
Okay, so, now you baby this.
Now you're...
Okay.
All right, so it's time to enter inside the game to prove that women are smarter than men again. Of course, today, I'm going to win this guy. That's why I came dressed like this, because I came to fight. See my jeans, I fold it.
I come in peace.
Yeah, I came to fight. You see it?
I come in peace. I come in...
That is it. Yeah, I came to fight today.
I do that thing just now. Wow.
Okay.
I come in peace, yeah.
Today, I came to win this guy.
So let us see what happens today.
Yeah.
All the men are who? I say, ow, for back.
So the first game, we're going to pick a card. I will pick a card, or he will pick a card, depending on the picky. We pick a card, and I go tell him the state. He go tell me the capital and the continent, where they and the color. You go tell me I go pick country rather. You go tell me I go pick states. You go tell me the continent and the capital of them.
You're in the house now. Eh?
The capital of the country. Sorry. And the continent.
Player A go pick card from box and mention the country. With the right on top of the card. So player B will come talk the capital of that country. And their continent and their flag color. Ada, what's happen?
What's happen?
Ada.
You want everybody to know.
Now for you won't come they follow our hand in the public place.
Oh yeah, let's start now.
We'll just start. Pink color cards. You don't go look things before we start. So you go pick the country. Really? You can't mention the country.
You agree me look?
Okay, you mention the country.
Yes, so let me mention the country now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Canada. What is the capital of Canada?
The capital of Canada is Canada.
Which continent today?
Canada.
Yes.
USSR.
Hey. What be their color?
Red and white.
You get the color. Hey. Ogbolo. The only color you get. The capital of Canada is Ottawa.
I don't know.
It is in North America.
I know one side for America.
It is in North America.
One side for America. So that's not the big.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. This one didn't creamy look. Oh
Lord. I will find what we're supposed to hide.
Oh,
why you must feel this thing?
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord, God. You look this one.
No. Just pick any now.
You look at them. You look at me before we start.
They're not creamy look.
Keep quiet, you. As I don't better than that, they pay me say, oh yeah, France.
Paris.
This is qualified.
Oh yeah, come on, that one. No, but I know him.
This one is disqualified.
I know this one.
Yeah, well, you look at before we start.
Only that one.
I go look this.
No, but only that one.
Okay, only that one, Abi.
Only that one.
Hey, what are you talking about? My wife, tell me. India.
New Delhi. What's the word? New Delhi.
Okay, New Delhi, yes, okay.
And they are Asians.
Okay, Asia. What is the color of their flag?
The color is
Okay.
Yellow one. Yeah. And I can't remember the color. Okay. I can't.
So you can't remember the color?
I can't remember the color.
Okay, so you try for the color. The color are orange, white, green, and blue. What country?
But I know, say New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Mumbai.
Okay. So those two now. So 2-1.
Yes.
2-1. When they try your guys, not easy.
Okay.
If you ask me name of entertainers now for this country, I will give you. Oh yeah.
Togo. It's not hard. But I know this one. What will be the capital of Togo?
Give me a clue.
Starts with an L. It starts with L.
Lome.
Thank you. Why? What will be the continent?
Africa now.
Of course, Africa. What will be their color?
For Togo. Togo color. Red this side, yellow this side.
Red, yellow, white, green. Oh yeah.
See, you know I almost stop with this game. Mayowa. It made me feel like say I'm not sharp.
You're not sharp now.
I don't like this thing. Really. Give me my comfort zone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Kenya.
Yeah. I know Kenya. Dakar. Oga Dakar. Oga Dakar. See this one? Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay, no, na Senegal be Dakar. Na Senegal be Dakar. The continent is Africa. Nairobi. Oh my God, Nairobi, continent Africa.
They don't blow you. They don't blow you bomb.
Mistake.
Oh, yeah, they don't blow you bomb.
Mistake,
you can't touch Dakar with pride.
Oh, na Senegal be Dakar, Joe.
You don't gawk. So minus. So na 2-2 now. Onyoshi.
Oh yeah. China. Even me know this one.
China.
If you dey watch, you go know where.
How they watching here?
You go know. You suppose know this one. This China. Then tell us that year. Every time they teach us for school, they always tell us this China one.
Yeah, you did for Asia.
Na Asia, but na Beijing.
That's true.
Beijing. Now you know Beijing and their flag na red and yellow.
I never talk flag now.
Na red and yellow. You know no.
So 3-2.
This last one. You remember?
Ada, God will judge you. Wait.
You remember one? No?
Remember one? This one easy now.
Which one?
It's too easy.
Which one? Tell me now. Oh yeah, but talk am now.
What?
But talk am now. Which one?
Anyway, South Africa.
Johannesburg is in Africa, and their color is. Yeah, Mumu. Do you know this guy? Ghana. Ogbolo. You don't want me to say Accra. You are wicked. I sabi pass you this thing.
You dey pick out the one way easy.
I sabi pass you this guy. No mind am. I sabi pass you.
All right. Anyway, anyhow. So this one you win.
I agree. I win.
4-3. But please, for this world now, we don't have to send many things, but it just shows say we need to send many things.
Yes.
So
yes.
let's.
You need to read. You need to know everything going on around you. It's not just limited to the country where you did.
Yes.
Try find out things going on around you, because who knows, you might just find yourself in another country.
Exactly. If you ask me what the bus stop now for inside Lagos, I will tell you. But Lesotho.
Lesotho.
All right, they go break now. They come back. And if I go on break before you kill us, go.
Na Wizkid. Na Wizboy.
Na Wiz daddy now.
Na Wizboy, my brother. Na just Wizboy. We don't
Wiz father, Wiz daddy.
Wizboy/daddy.
Yeah.
Wizboy dad.
Wheezy. But doing great things, man. When they go this US, this thing, when they go to Africa,
they don't count
this
them
thing.
now.
They don't turn out to African king of this
king
thing.
Of
my dear. You don't bring out Swiss beats come out. Everybody say,
wow.
Even the flavor 7, they do say, Chimo, Wizkid. Bring out Swiss beats now.
Whiskey.
But anyway, nice job, Wizkid. Keep doing your. I beg. Who will never make their money? Which advice you want to give? Okay, so now the next game.
All right, back to the next game. You go explain them.
Slogans. Okay, so player A go pick a card from the box and mention the name of the animal where you pick. Player B now will be me. We can't mention the child, the picking of that animal. What do they call the picking of that particular animal? You understand? Within 15 seconds. Are you ready to go? Let's do this, baby. Let's do this.
Baby dog.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh yeah.
Snake.
Snake.
What will be the picking of snake? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. What will be the this thing of snake?
Baby snake. Snake baby.
It's called a snakelet. Ay. It's called a snakelet. I didn't know that, man.
Oh,
I didn't know that.
Mama let, baby let.
I didn't know that.
You said you don't know.
I don't know.
Snakelets, just in case you don't know before. Baby snake, that's snakelets.
Yes.
All right. Monkey.
Baboon.
Baboon you call Magoon ni.
Monkey. Baby monkey.
Monkey baby ni.
Okay, monkey baby.
Nope.
Monklet. Monklet.
Infant.
Infant?
Yes. A baby monkey is called an infant.
Infant?
I know that one.
Really?
Yeah. So.
Oh, wow.
I watch my infant head when sleeping on.
Wait now.
Cradle bed.
Ow.
I got that. Ada. Which kind of things you go carry come like this?
Okay. What is a baby owl called?
A chick.
Chicken peri peri ni.
Owlet.
Owlet? Owlet?
Owlet.
Yes! You didn't know. You had no idea, no? You didn't know.
I just make I just do the let things.
You didn't know.
And it worked. So 1-0. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh yeah. So let me the pick now. Too much energy this morning. The joy of the Lord.
I don't
know the animal myself.
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, it's supposed to be easy for you. You don't write the thing where. All right.
All right.
If you don't get this in my way, if you don't get that, sheep.
Dear.
Sheep with dear. Like do correct am. Sheep.
Shepherd.
Shapido. Little lamb.
Lamb.
Na lamb.
Serious, a little lamb.
Yeah, pick it on me.
At least people they know now. People they know, don't worry. Okay. Horse.
You.
Fion. Joseph.
Horselet.
Joseph. Oslitude. Joseph.
Kid.
Children.
Oh yeah. Talk.
Joseph had a coat of many colors.
Oh, coat.
It is called a coat.
I don't know.
Coat.
I don't know. Now miss the lead. One more. No, but no try. No, but the kangaroo. No bother. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a kangaroorian.
A kangaroorian. Librarian.
It's called a librarian.
A baby kangaroo is called Joey.
I love you, no.
That's no Joey. And I get one of my friends named like Joey.
Joey.
So it means that kangaroo be mama. Joey. I go ask him.
Rabbit. You must get this one.
You don't finish now.
No,
I
rabbit.
Ask me.
One more. Rabbit.
No. Now I'm going to do another one.
See
again.
one more. Rabbit.
Rabotoir. Rabotoir. Oh yeah, which be rabbit speaking? Kit.
I'm telling you, K-I-T. Kit.
Ada, we'll carry na come do this thing one day.
One day.
You know what's going to happen next week?
Now then go
carry. Final one. Fish.
Fillet.
Filet. Fish.
Fillet.
Fry. Yes, a baby fish is called fry. All right, so fried fish, fry. That's what the baby fish is called. So, we don't learn one thing today. We said we don't learn plenty. Wow. So, now me win this one. So, you win first round, I win second round. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we roll. Laugh the laugh. Laugh the laugh. Like that, you to do. Yeah.
Tell them today where to see us.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on top social media, Jammers on top Twitter. Individual, no, make I talk with you, show on first. At Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy. And individually on top Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo. _ at Mayowa Ikpo. Mayowa Lambe. Have you not changed that?
Shy.
At Mayowa Lambe. And then on top Instagram, if you jam us. Thank you. At Wazobia. At Wazobia TV NG. No stock everything finished now. If you stock all the perfume finish, what will remain? Now, then at Ogbolo on Instagram, at Mayowa Ikpo on Instagram. And then just jam us generally on top Facebook and everywhere at Wazobia TV NG. Just find us, you go see everything for there, all right? Facebook, YouTube, every Wazobia TV NG.
Now, he is being very unprofessional, and as a professional one, I say have a very beautiful morning, and God bless you.
We love you. Inshallah.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.